In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy friendship bracelet that is a chevron, and it looks super complicated. So I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see what I'm doing with my hands. Okay, so we have our thread, and I have a couple of each one. I find that this works best if you have at least two doubled up, so 4 of each color. Okay, so I have 2 strands of each. Tape it. And for the purpose of showing you, I'm going to just spread this out and make sure it's in the same order. There we go. Oops. There we go. So it's very simple. Over, 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 over. Okay. You just always do it like same. So if we get going a little bit here, you'll start to see the pattern. And you always want it to be about 7 inches. 7 inches is the size of bracelet that will fit most people. I maybe should have made the blue and yellow thread a bit longer, but I'm thinking I'm just going to tie my knot and then use the orange thread to tie it on. And we'll measure. Yes, just about there. Okay, I'm going to tie it. Okay. I just did that just so it doesn't come undone while I'm tying it. Alright. I'm just going to cut this part off. And there you go. Now you have your beautiful bracelet. Just tie it here. And there you go. That looks pretty good, eh? And what did that take us? 5 seconds? No, realistically 5 minutes. Okay, bye.